Okay, now good morning everyone. Today we are going to start with our revision. Revision 1. Please take out your rough notebooks and a pen and be ready for the revision test. I'm going to give you 20 minutes to complete the test. Only write down the answers in your notebook. After 20 minutes, you have to, means we will discuss the same question answers in the class only. Clear? So now I'm going to share the screen in which the questions are being given. You have to just read the questions and only write down the answers in the rough notebook so that we can discuss those answers after 20 to 25 minutes. Now I have shared my screen with the questions. Wait a second. Is it visible? Okay, now you can see the questions there. After 20 minutes, after 20 minutes, I'm going to stop the test. Till 20 minutes you have to complete these first 2-3 questions are a type of objective type. Then last 2-3 questions, 3 to 4 questions are little bit short answer type. You can start writing the answers. Only write down the answers in your rough notebook. It's 11:30. The time starts now. It's 11:30. The time starts now for your revision test 1. Okay, fine. Now we are going to discuss the question answers. Stop doing the test now. Now, first question was, according to the socialist private property was the root of all evils in society. So, is it true or false? Yes, it is true. If you have written true, give 1 mark in your rough notebook. Very good, Gunjan. Very good. Goranchi, you also written true? Good. Then next is dash and dash were the problems caused by growth in number of town. What was the were the problems caused by the growth of number of towns? Who will answer this? Raise your hand. Who is going to answer this? Yes, Gunjan, speak out. Unmute yourself and speak out. Yes.
Housing and sanitation.
Very good. Housing and sanitation were the problems caused by growth of number of towns. Now comes the third question, match the column. Now match the following. Column 1, liberals. What will be the correct number for liberals in column B? Yes. Goranshi. Goranshi, unmute yourself. Those who want to give the answer, unmute yourself and speak out. From my side, I unmuted you. Yes, Goranshi. Liberals?
Ma'am, for the A1, it will be second one.
Yes.
Second option. The B1 will be third option.
Very good.
The C1 will be the fourth option, and the D1 Last one will be the first option.
Okay, fine. So, okay. Liberals, for liberals, we will see that it will be the second option. Who is going to read the second option? Yes, read out.
They wanted the religions that tolerate all religions.
Yes, they wanted the religion that tolerated all the religions. Second, radicals. For radicals,
They wanted a nation based on the majority of country populations.
yes, good. And for the third, that is conservatives.
They believe that changes had to be brought about through slow process.
Very good. Then for the last one, socialist.
They
The
saw
remaining one.
they saw private properties as the root of all social events.
Very good. The first one. Got the answer? Okay, now next question is the fifth question. Fourth question. Which among the following groups were against any kind of political or social change? Which among the following groups were against any kind of political or social change? Yes, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, be conservatives.
Very good. Be conservatives. Those who have written be conservatives, give yourself 1 mark for that answer. So fourth answer will be conservatives. And those who have written the matched up of following, how many correct answers you have matched, that many marks you give. Total 4 marks it is. If all the 4 correct match is done, give the 4 marks. Clear? Now next question. Write 3 social changes brought about by industrialization. 3 social changes brought about by industrialization. Who is going to answer this? Yes. Nobody? Okay, the changes were the society saw profound social and economic changes. It was the time when new cities came up, new industrialized regions developed, and railways expanded. Then industrial revolution also brought men, women, and children to factories. Then working hours were often long and wages were very low. This was also the social change. Then during the time of low demand and unemployment was very common that time. And as the towns were growing rapidly, problems like housing and sanitation emerged. Clear this answer? This answer is given on page number 45. Whatever extra questions we have shared while after completion of this lesson of together with 79th question it is. Am I clear? Okay, before we
Yes, ma'am.
okay, fine. Before we continue, please type once again present. Please type once again present in the chat box. So next question was, what was the basic principle of Marxist theory? What was the basic principle of the Marxist theory?
Ma'am, in this one, I have done the second one.
Okay, the second one, why were the socialists against private property? Okay, give that answer.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes, who can name?
Socialists were against the institution of private properties because they felt that it was the basis of all social troubles.
Yes.
Socialists want the whole population to control the property rather than an individual so that more attention would be paid to collective social interests.
Very good. And the third one? If it comes in short, at least 3 points you have to write down for short question answers. And for long question answers, if it appears in the long, same question appears in the long, at least 5 points you have to mark there. Clear? At least 5
Yes, ma'am.
points. So good. And then about the Marxist theory, 3 basic principles of Marxist theory. Okay, I'm going to tell. Marx believed that the condition of the workers could not improve as long as private capitalists had profit motive. As means as long as private capitalists will have the profit motive, the condition of worker will not be improved because they will be thinking of themselves only, private capitalists. Then second, workers had to overthrow capitalism and the rule of private property. And then last one, workers must construct the radically socialist society, and that society where all property was socially controlled, and this will be communist society. Clear? And both the answers of this sixth one is given on page number 42. That Marxist will be given on page number 42. 64th question of together with, and this next is page number same page number 63 question, 63rd question and 64th question. Clear? Those who have written at least 3 points, you give full marks to this question. Next, why do we say the liberals could not be called Democrats?
May I answer?
Yes,
Ma'am, may I?
yes, anybody? Anyone?
Liberals were not Democrats as they wanted the change, but they don't want the women to come forward. They enrolled themselves in the strike of demand of vote of men, but they were completely against of right of vote given to women.
Very good. Okay, fine. So the answer
Ma'am,
will,
may I also?
yes, you can also answer.
The liberals could not be called as Democrats because, first point, they did not believe in universal adult franchise, that is the right of every citizen to vote.
Very good.
Second, they felt men of property mainly should have the right to vote.
Yes.
Third point, they also did not want the vote for women.
Very good. Clear? So you can give 3 marks. Those who have written 3 full means, sorry, this is of 2 marks question. You can give 2 marks only for that. Okay. This is a short, very short. It can be or short also. So all the answers are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So the same lesson, next 2 topics, that is Socialist Society and February Petrograd, 30 to 35 pages. Clear? Will be included for tomorrow's revision test. Same type of test, and be prepared for that. And now everybody has written present. Okay, everybody has written present. Today enjoyed giving the revision test?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
We will continue the same way. Clear?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
I had given in that group that 12th of October will be your full half yearly course revision test. Clear? And that you have to, same way you have to upload it on the Google form. I will give you the link and all. The same way map will be also included as it is. And these type of questions only will be included, means they match the column true and false, this whatever the paper pattern is there, no, or for the half yearly. So these types of questions will be there in that half yearly also. Not only
Ma'am,
these.
there will be long question answers also.
Yes, but the time limit in the this Zoom classes is limited, na. That is why we are giving short only just now, so that you can complete the within the time limit 20 to 25 minutes. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
And that long and all according to the full paper pattern will be given on 12th of October. Okay, fine. Now
Timing you will tell us.
timing I am going to tell you. Then only, means date is clear. It is on 12th of October. Timing I will give you. The Google form link I am going to provide you afterwards. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now before leaving, type present once again and be prepared for tomorrow's revision 2.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fine. Good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.